It's a 2012 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. The striking lines and muscular shoulders of this Range Rover Evoque are as dynamic as the drive itself. Features include intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, front, rear, and surround view parking sensors, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Bluetooth, leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. Car and Driver adds it looks more like a concept car than anything else that can be had for less than $100,000, and it's even more arresting in person than in photos. You'll stand out in a Land Rover. Experience it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.